Fifth, I can see there is some issue in joining. I don't know what's the reason behind. I have already made the students to join and join fast so that we can begin with a revision. Not only revision, children, we have to move ahead for the preparation of the upcoming examinations. And this upcoming examinations, what we are going to do is we are going to prepare one project. This project will be on the historical and the cultural values of India. Children, please note it down. The historical and the cultural values of India. Avni, can you note it down, please? And you can share it in the group. Okay. Very clear?
Ma'am, we have to make.
I will explain everything. I will explain everything. You just note down the topic first. The historical and cultural values of India. The historical and the cultural values of India.
Values of India.
Okay. This is one question, and you also have to show one more question. Show the development of Chhattisgarh. Show the development of Chhattisgarh.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
Show the development.
Good morning, ma'am. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही ढंग से.
आप शांत रहेंगे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, second question is show the development of Chhattisgarh, na?
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I gave you all two questions. Fine. This question you can make a PowerPoint presentation PPT, or you can make some kind of documentary film. Choice is yours. जो आपको बनाने में easy हो. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
जो भी बनाने में आपको easy हो, you can do that. Right? You have lots of time. I have given two topics. Avni has written it, and maybe other students have also written it. You can share it in the WhatsApp group. These two questions, I'm giving you 1 month time. It's not 1 month. Yes, 1 month time. In that 1 month, you have to prepare the project and send it to me in my official email ID. Right?
मैम प्रोजेक्ट जो मतलब मैम उसके ऊपर लिखना है.
Please mute yourself. Janya, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. बेटा, PowerPoint presentation means आपको उसके इंडिया के हिस्ट्री के बारे में अलग अलग पिक्चर्स निकालने रहेंगे. उसके बारे में आपको लिखना होता है. You can describe about it. You can share your experiences. ऑनलाइन में बहुत कुछ अवेलेबल है. You use your brain, but don't copy it from online. You use your brain. You can innovate your ideas. आप उसको बहुत प्यारी तरीके से उसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. Describe yourself as per your choice. Clear? Are you all getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way you have to prepare the project. Those who are absent, please WhatsApp in the group that what I have said. Avni will take the privilege to do this work. Right, Avni? You will share the topic and share the things to everyone. Yes, Janya, what do you want to ask?
मैम एक बार फिर से बताइए ना मैम, कब का मीटिंग शेड्यूल बता रहा था, चालू ही नहीं हो रहा था इसलिए.
Janya, I have given two questions. Two questions, you have to prepare a project. Okay, this project will be send it, you have to send it to me by 15th of January. 15th of January, आपको बहुत समय मिलेगा. Right?
क्या बनाना है मैम?
Children, PowerPoint presentation. ठीक है, PPT बनाना है. Okay, you can share and discuss it with Avni. Also can help you all out. Yes, Avni, you want to say something? Janya, बाकी डाउट मैं बाद में क्लियर करूं, अभी हम पढ़ाई शुरू करें.
Yes,
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that we can make pictures and also send. Ma'am, this kind of things also we can do.
I can't hear you, Avni. Please, can you repeat it?
Ma'am, we can make posters and like if I want to speak something, I want to make a film. So can I use posters and all these things in it?
Everything. It is totally free. You are free to do whatever you wish.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
उसको चैट में भेज दो ना.
Beta, that what Avni will do it. I have given the responsibility to Avni. She will do that after the class.
Avni, give your number, please.
I will send in the WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp group only.
Okay.
Now, shall we move ahead? We are going to do the revision from Kaziranga. And I have seen that you all have done the reading. Reading was over. Titi?
Yes, ma'am.
Titi?
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you looking? I am talking to you.
Ma'am, nothing. Ma'am, I am just seeing my book.
Sit straight.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm going to start the revision from Kaziranga. Okay. I had done the reading in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I want to share something with you all.
Ma'am.
Okay. Children, you all know about Kaziranga National Park, right? I have taught you this chapter. Do you all remember? Do you all remember? Achha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who can tell me about any other national park? Who can tell me about any other national park? Who can tell me about any other national park? Who can tell me about any other national park, children?
Ma'am, Kana Kisli National Park.
Yes. Can you describe about it, Shaurya? शौर्य, आप उसके बारे में बता सकते हैं?
Ma'am, I forgot.
You have forgot it. अच्छा.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Who can tell me about any other national park?
May I, ma'am, may I?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, Kavya.
Ma'am, I
The
don't
Kaziranga
remember the exact name, but I know that it is in Gir National Park.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I know the one park.
Okay. One by one, I would like to listen. Avni start, then Kavya will speak, then Riddhi, then Labdi. I will give chance to everyone. So,
Ma'am, Gir
Avni,
National Park is in Gir. We went there and it was very good. We had a very nice adventure there. We went at dawn, 5 o'clock, and we saw many animals there, and we also saw sunset. All the animals were very nice and they were very beautiful too.
beta, where it is located, Gir?
Ma'am, Gir is located in Assam.
Assam. So, can you tell me about your journey? Like you all went how? Through flight, through train?
Ma'am, to Assam.
Yeah.
Ma'am, with our whole family from Raipur, we had a train to Delhi, and from Delhi, we had a flight to Assam.
Okay.
Ma'am, there we explored a lot there. Then we also went Gir.
Okay. So Gir National Park is famous for?
Ma'am, lions. Lions are there.
Gir National Park is famous for lions. Okay. So can you tell me about more about the speciality of Gir National Park?
Ma'am, I don't remember much because I was small at that time.
Okay, you were small at that time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No issue. Kavya would like to share something. Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do share.
Ma'am, I
Switch on your camera
not
first. Switch on your camera first.
I have not gone, but ma'am, in the trip of Kazingara, my whole family was gone. But my sister, me, and my mother can't go to the Kazingara in Odisha near
Kaziranga.
Yes, ma'am, Brahmaputra. Ma'am, there is a chapter in also our English book.
I know that. I'm asking you that do you have any other experience about any national park?
No, ma'am, but my family
Okay,
had
you
gone.
don't have. You
They
don't
came
have.
and said all the things that
They have
they
described.
were seeing.
They have
Yes.
described. So,
Yes.
where it is located exactly, Kaziranga?
Ma'am, in Odisha near the Brahmaputra river.
Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra.
Yes.
Okay. Labdi would like to say, Labdi, switch on your video, please. Labdi, switch on your video, please.
Ma'am, after Labdi, I can tell.
Yes, but let Labdi speak first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we had gone to Anna.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is located on MP Madhya Pradesh. Ma'am, we gone there by road. Ma'am, my family and my friends had gone there. Ma'am, there is a beautiful place. And ma'am, its specialty is ma'am, there is a Bengal safari. Ma'am, there are so many animals.
Beta, when I am asking, yeah, her voice is breaking. Her voice is really breaking. Labdi, actually, I have asked you to describe about the things, right? That means where Kanha Kisli is located, why Kanha is famous for, what is famous over there, right? And these things I wanted to know. Now I saw, I would like to listen to you once again. Yes.
Ma'am, my voice is breaking.
Okay,
ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a national park called Nagarhole National Park.
It is
Yes.
famous for the tiger.
Okay.
Ma'am, and it is located in Mussoorie, Madikeri.
Okay. Nice. Very good. And
Ma'am, we go to flight, and my father, mother, and my sister go to flight. Ma'am, we stayed in a resort.
I request other students to mute themselves.
कभी have a nice day, ma'am.
Why have a nice day? The class is going on.
Ma'am, my sister is saying
अच्छा.
Ma'am,
class. Ma'am, his class is also.
Shall we continue now?
Yes, ma'am.
So we were talking about the Kaziranga chapter, right? And now we are going to see the whole chapter.
Ma'am, now can I tell
What, beta?
about ma'am National Park?
Okay, sure, please.
1 minute. Ma'am, I visit in ma'am Bannerghatta in Bangalore. I have
Yes.
saw so much many animals, ma'am, and ma'am I saw tiger and lion also, ma'am, and ma'am, जब I have gone. I have going to elephant, and then I have ma'am, I am giving to the elephant food.
Okay. So when you are saying the things in the past tense, beta, so I am going, nahi, I went, I had an elephant ride, and not only I had an elephant ride, I gave food to the elephant also. We enjoyed a lot, and that particular forest is famous for, in Bangalore, it is famous for,
Ma'am, I have also went in jungle safari.
I have nahi bolte beta, I went.
Ma'am, I am saying I have went in jungle safari. I have saw lion, tiger, peacock.
Excuse me beta, I have bolte ho na, so that is present.
Yes.
Have
Ma'am,
mat bolo. I went.
I went to saw ma'am tiger, white tiger, peacock, ma'am deer, cheetal deer, etc.
Acha.
Ma'am, I have also saw
Again I have.
hippopotamus.
Don't say have.
Went to see hippopotamus also.
You have enjoyed, that means a lot. Fine, that's very good.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Acha, after 5 minutes, let us solve this exercise first. Let us solve this exercise first and then, okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first question for Tithi.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
question for Tithi. The
Yes,
author
ma'am.
went on the elephant safari in the
Last event.
late evening.
Yes,
Last-
ma'am. Late evening.
Last कहाँ लिखा है
Late
Tithi?
evening. Ma'am, it is late evening.
Yes. So see it carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question to Janya.
Yes, ma'am.
When they set out, the author could hear only the
Elephants.
Is she correct? Is Janya correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
What is the
ma'am.
correct answer then?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I-
Rhine.
Rhino.
Ma'am, Ma'am,
Rustle of grass.
tail of the grass.
Rustle of the grass.
Rustle of the
Ma'am,
grass.
tail of the
Rustle,
grass.
rustle. It is said as rustle.
Rustle of the grass.
मतलब कड़कड़ाती हुई घासों की आवाज. Okay, rustle of the grass. Fine.
Rustle of the grass.
स्थिति बहुत
Yes,
मस्ती
ma'am.
हो रही है.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sit properly.
Not do.
Sit
Yes,
properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Kaziranga is on the bank of river. Kavya will give the answer. Kavya will give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
answer me.
Brahmaputra.
Good.
Brahmaputra.
Why I asked you to understand?
Ma'am,
Why I asked
anyone
you?
has said, then Kavya has.
Yes. Yes.
Brahmaputra.
The sanctuary is divided into dash zones.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Kaziranga sanctuary is divided into dash zones.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
who
4.
gave the answer?
Avni will give the answer.
Ma'am, 5.
Do you all agree?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is the
Ma'am,
correct
there-
answer?
4.
Yes, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
4, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. There is only 4 sections. Centuries.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanctuary is divided. Sanctuary को कितने टुकड़ों में zones में बांटा गया है?
4.
Ma'am, 4.
4, ma'am. 4.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4.
Yeah, let's check the chapter. Read
Yes,
out the
ma'am.
chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the correct answer?
Wait na. Riddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, 5.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, 5.
Okay.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4 is the correct
Ma'am.
answer.
4.
Yes, ma'am. 4.
Avni,
Yes, ma'am.
What is the correct answer?
बताओ.
Ma'am, 5 भी लग रहा है. Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
I need to
Ma'am,
check
four.
it out. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaziranga
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
4. We are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Rhinos eat smaller
Ma'am,
animals, plants and
Mushroom.
Ma'am, mushroom.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, mushroom. Ma'am, mushrooms. Ma'am,
Ma'am, not.
mushrooms.
Ma'am,
Mushrooms.
rhino eat only plants.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have read it 5 times, the story. A visit to Kazingra.
Very Kazingra ne Kaziranga.
Yes, ma'am. Kaziranga.
The best time to visit Kaziranga is from
Ma'am, I know.
March.
November to March.
Yes.
November to March.
Ma'am,
November.
November to March.
Correct. Correct answer. Correct answer. Now, tell me one thing. Number the incidents as they occurred in the text.
Yes, ma'am.
No one will shout. All are going to write in the chat box. बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना. The child who has read out the chapter nicely, that child only can do it.
The elephant almost a tree.
मैम ट्रू फॉल्स करना है.
नहीं बेटा, नंबर द इंसिडेंट्स एज दे अकर्ड इन द टेक्स्ट. मतलब टेक्स्ट में कौन सा लाइन चैप्टर के पहले आया था, देन नेक्स्ट, देन नेक्स्ट, देन नेक्स्ट. All these lines are there in the book. You have to set it in the sequence.
6. 6, 5.
Done?
Ma'am, my answer is right or not? I have written to you.
Wait, wait, wait. I will wait for 2 minutes first.
Yes, ma'am. I have written my answer. My answer.
Is it
No,
done?
my answer is right or wrong.
Let me check it out first.
Ma'am, my is done.
5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Kavya has written 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 1. Let me check it out. 5. 4. Yes, your answer is correct. Its answer is 5, 4, 3, 1, 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So you just write it out on the right hand side, the correct sequence. First write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sequence here and write the correct sequence. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Copy?
No, not in copy, in book itself.
Yes, ma'am. I have written.
Okay. Read the sentences and answer the questions that.
पता है मैं सारा सारी तो कुछ ही
Ma'am, answer is 5, 4, 3, 1, 2.
5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am, answer is 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. No?
Yes. Okay, now let me check. You have your next class at 1:05 na beta?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow we will have the complete test of the same chapter. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
oral test, right? And answers, question answers, you have to make your own answers and keep it ready,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Take care then. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
bye, bye.